Let's look briefly at how to get fonts from Google Fonts website here onto our computer so that we can use them in a mockup. So first of all, let's see over here in the mockup if I wanted to type something, and let's say I wanted to use that Modac font. You can see I don't have that currently installed on my machine. Okay, so if you try to use an existing sketch file and you don't have the fonts installed, it may be that you'll see the font name or something else, but you won't be able to edit some of the different parts about it, or if you try to click on it, it might not let you click on it, things like that. So those are signs that you might need fonts installed, but otherwise, to work with them yourself in a mockup, first you're going to want to find the fonts you want. So let's say we wanted to work with this Modac font. I'm going to click the plus sign, which added it into a little pop out here. So you can add multiple fonts. Just for comparison, let's add this Montserrat. Notice that it has 18 styles, whereas this one had just the one. Okay, when I pull these up, I can do all the stuff here that's included in the lesson about using these fonts in a web page, but to download them to use them in my mockup, I have to go here to press this download button, which little by little will download these files. Then I can click to open them up, and here they are. So the next thing I want to do is open up FontBook on a Mac. Okay, so that's in the Applications Utilities folder, I believe. And then all you need to do is drag these folders over into FontBook. Seems like they didn't select properly. There we go. And bada bing, bada bang, you'll see them appear in the fonts list. And then over here in Sketch, you will also see them appear. If they don't appear right away, it may be that you need to restart Sketch, but then things will be good to go, and you can begin using those fonts. So there is the Modac font. And just as a point of comparison, here is Montserrat. And it comes with all these different weights and styles to use as well. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Happy fonting.